So I listed some Percys for sale, and I found another bunch of Percys, and I thought this was the last of it. Then I found another box full of Percys, a lot of Percy. Now I have no clue how much these things sell. I think they're selling for, I mean, the original ones, the old ones. This Mattel, Tomy. There are a lot of Percy's really in really good shape. I don't know if I'm gonna find more. There are a lot of boxes on my storage. So if interested, you can check my list. I guess I'm gonna mix these lots. I cannot sell them just like There are hundreds of toys that I have that I do not have time. I think these are remote control motors. There are a lot of good parts right there, guys. A lot of good parts. Really good parts. I think this was for a custom Percy. I used to make a lot of custom Percy. There are good motors in here. Obviously, none of these are tested. That means untested. Untested, no. I do not have time to test. But keep checking my posts on eBay. I have a lot of toys that I'm posting. Look, good, perfect battery terminal. I think someone can have. Oh, look at that one, beautiful. There are hundreds of toys I have. So I'm just filling the boxes. I'm filling boxes full of toys. Check my eBay store. Yeah, but this one, I think this one is good. So since these are remote control, I'm gonna post the motors as they are. Someone might find. I mean, the motor by itself is really good. Someone's gonna find these interesting parts. If you want to buy them, to make custom models or fix or repair for spare parts, I cannot tell you which remote control was this was, but I have hundreds of parts. Yeah, check my eBay store.